text neck. What is text neck? Text neck is when you're texting and your neck is cranked over your phone and causing you damage. It's leading to arthritis, and it's insidiously dangerous for you. So stop it. How do you stop it though? What do you do to have better posture with your phone? Well, there's some good ways to approach it, right? So the first thing is to have it so that your shoulders are not rounded and drawing your head forward to having the stress and strain of your 10-pound head 3, 4, 5 inches forward over where it's supposed to be. So get that up. Bring your arm up and have your eyes looking at your phone. You can even hold up your elbow so that it allows you to have better vision and good alignment of the neck. How easy is that? Simple. So when you're pulling out your phone and going through all the texts or looking at Facebook, bring up that elbow, bring up your head. Think about how to keep your ears over your shoulders so you don't have text neck and you're not causing damage. That's a very simple solution. But let me tell you, when you're sitting down, it's just as important. I'm standing, but when you're sitting, what we also do is tend to get crooked and twisted, and it actually affects our low back, and that can start to damage our low back spine as well. And so you want to knock that off. You want to be able to have nice, good alignment from the ear to your hips in one alignment, right? So the straight alignment, not hunched over, twisted and crooked and compressed. And you know how you can have 20, 30, 40 minutes go by and you're still on the phone. So get that up, hold those shoulders back, hold up your hand, have better alignment, and allow your body to have great posture while you have that. So think about this, right? This is better. It's not great, but it's good, better, and then get rid of your phone if you can. That's the best posture to have, and that really takes pressure off of your neck. So try those things, think about that, and have a great day.